In this video, I'll show you how you can add Google File Stream to your computer so that you can work with your files more quickly and efficiently. If you find yourself working with certain files on your computer, certain files online, and want to find a quick way to use both at the same time, you might want to consider using Google File Stream. Here I am in my Windows File Explorer. I'm in my Pictures directory. And if you'll look on the left-hand side, we'll notice that there's actually something in there called the Google File Stream. So when I click on that, I can actually access my drive and all of the contents. And I can also access any shared drives that are available to me. So if I double click on that, there are my shared drives that I have connected to my account. To get to your Google Drive, you can go to your waffle in the upper right-hand corner of a new tab and just choose Drive. You can also go to drive.google.com, which is my preferred way of getting there. Once you're there, you can make a bookmark and put it in your bookmarks bar. There's all sorts of ways of getting there. When you get to your drive, you will find a settings wheel in the upper right-hand corner. Looks like a gear. If you click on that, one of your options is Get Drive for Desktop. So I'll click on that, and then it'll be brought to this screen. You may have had Google File Stream before, and it disappeared or stopped working. If that's the case, you can follow these instructions on uninstalling it so that you can reinstall it later. That will tend to fix any problems that you're having with it. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to scroll down a little bit further and find Download and Install File Stream. I am using a PC right now, but you can also download it for Mac if you are using a Mac computer. I'm going to click Download for Windows, and then it will just go and download that file. Once the file downloads, it'll be in the lower left-hand corner. You can click on it and open it up. And the first thing that will show up is, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Since you know what you're installing and you know where you're getting it from, it's okay to go ahead and hit yes on there. You may be asked to reboot your computer if you're reinstalling after an uninstall. If you need to reboot during the installation process, you'll now have to go find the installation file. Luckily, it's pretty easy. You can just go to the File Explorer icon in your taskbar if you're using Windows, or you can just type in File Explorer and it will show up in search. When you do so, you can find your Downloads folder on the left-hand side. When you click it, you will find a file in there called Google Drive FileStream.exe. I have 2 copies of it, so this one has a 1 after it, but otherwise they're the exact same file. I'm going to double click on it, and then it's going to take me through the installation process. We allow it to make changes to our device. We can add an application shortcut to our desktop. And then we can also add desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Now the file stream is successfully installed. We can see it in our taskbar down here. When I click on the Drive File Stream icon in my taskbar, I can now actually bring up the folder to my Google Drive File Stream. If I had a file that I wanted to put up on the cloud, I can actually just go there. So if I wanted to save this Word document, for example, I can go to File and then Save As. When I go to Save As, I can browse for the folder that I want. And then we'll see Google File Stream right here on the left-hand side. Double click on my drive. And then I'll just call this sample document. And I'll give it today's date. When I do that, I'll hit save. It'll sync up to my Google Drive. And when we search for it in Google Drive, we'll find it sitting right there where we saved it. FileStream is a fast way of backing up documents that exist on your computer. And as well, it will even convert documents to the Google format once they're up on the cloud.